Hey, good morning, David with Mad Scientist Detailing. I just wanted to send out a little video for all my Nissan Frontier buddies. I get people ask all the time, hey David, what products do you use when you're cleaning your vehicles? This is my personal truck. Wheels aren't filthy, but they are dirty. I'm going to show you two products as easy on your maintenance washes. The first one, Detail Co. Wheel Wash. Alright, forewarning, PPE, this is a wheel acid. Okay, what I like about this product, because I do put protection on my wheels, and you'll notice when I rinse off, the water will be hydrophobic. This is a product. Now, if you got hammered wheels, you agitate. On something like this, I don't even have to agitate. So I just spray it on, let it sit a little bit. The tire cleaner I'm going to use today is Blaze Wheel and Tire by Luminous. It's a South Korean company. They have a good product line. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off. You can tell the water beads off. The tire's clean. And just to show it to you, I got a yellow rag, a clean yellow rag. Nothing. Okay, those are clean. As for the tire cleaner, Blaze, ignore the bottles, guys. This ain't what it's in this. It is Blaze. You can foam this stuff. I have spray bottles. I get tired of pumping the foam. Let me shoot my wheel wells a little bit. Going through some crud the other day on the job. This stuff right here. Now, I don't put any silicone tire dressings on my tires. I usually wash my truck once a week. This is Sunday morning. This is normally when I do it. So it foams up pretty good. Does clean very well. So this is a one-hit product, and what I mean by that is I don't have to do it twice. You know, some tire cleaners you got to do it twice. Not this one. Let me rinse off real quick. And to prove the tires are clean, I'm going to spray it with some more cleaner. Anybody that cleans knows if I spray this on, that's why I was rinsing my brush out, and it browns up again, then it's dirty. But that's all white. That's white. That tire's clean. So these are the two products I use. I just want to give you all my Nissan Frontier buddies a little tidbit of information on what I use. I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a blessed day.